are the doctor and the director at Arrival, one of the last arrivals of the school year. We're so proud of all you've accomplished this year. Way to go, students.
We are so proud of you. Have a great summer.
Go Sharks! Woo!
Hi, kindergarteners. It's Miss Bryn.
And Mr. Bobby here, hoping you spend lots of time exploring this summer.
Make sure you read, and play, play, play. We
love you.
Hello, amazing first graders. The end of the school year is finally here.
And all we can say is how happy we are for having you.
You all did amazing, and you should be very proud of yourselves.
We will miss you. Love you, chicken wings, chicken wings.
Hello, second graders. I can't believe it's the end of the year.
It was a pleasure teaching you this year.
And we know that this year had many challenges and changes, but you were so brave to take them on.
But we are glad because you're facing with these challenges with optimism and kindness.
And we really enjoyed laughing together, growing together, and learning together.
We had a wonderful year.
Enjoy your summer vacation. We'll
miss you.
Bye.
Hi everyone! We are so proud of you. You guys have worked so hard this year. We're amazed by all that you've done. Have a great summer!
Oh, fourth graders, thank you so much for an awesome year. You've taught us so much about perseverance, about resiliency and grit. Have an awesome, awesome summer.
Good job. Now it's time to enjoy your summer. Have a good summer. Put your computers away. Be active and have fun.
Go Sharks!
Hello Sharks, I want to send you just a short message to say congratulations, you've made it to the end of the school year. I hope you have a wonderful summer. You get to spend time with your friends. And I hope that over the summer you keep learning.
This was a year like no other. The only constant seemed to be change. Yet,
we grew together as a sixth grade community. We hope you remember all of the stories that we shared throughout the year and that lemons are yellow. A quote I'd like you to remember is, people who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones that do.
So get out there, guys, and move mountains. You guys are gonna be world changers.
Have a great summer vacation. Enjoy.
We'll miss you.
I wanted you guys to know that I'm so proud of you. Happy summer.
When things go wrong in life, just yell plot twist and move on.
Hey, thanks for all the hard work this year, even though it was a real tough one. Have a good summer, you guys.
Way to go, guys. This was a tough year, but you guys made it. Let's enjoy the summer.
Enjoy the summer, guys. I'll see you next year in class or in the hallways.
See ya!
Bye!
Chicos, hemos llegado al final del año escolar. Gracias por todo el esfuerzo que han puesto. Esperamos que tengan unas hermosas vacaciones.
Bravo pour cette année en français et je vous souhaite également d'excellentes vacances.
¡Felices vacaciones!
A great summer!
Woo! Go Sharks!
This has been a phenomenal year because you are resilient, powerful, creative, humble, empathetic, kind, brilliant, optimistic,
unique. Have a great summer, everybody. Bye.